Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So Apple has launched the crash detection and hard detection feature in their smartwatches recently, and we have all seen that how good the feature works on those smartwatches. But what about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4? Looks like Samsung is not lagging behind, and they have also released the new feature, the hard detection feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, and now the same feature has been added to Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with an update, and this feature can be one of the best features which you can get with this watch. So in this video we will see how we can activate the hard fall detection features and whether it works or not, and also what are the things which we can do in this feature and how the feature works in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taking this serious, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, if you want to activate this feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, make sure you have updated this smartwatch to the latest version. So to do that, you have to come to the Galaxy Wear app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Here you need to connect this smartwatch and update it to the latest version. So I have already connected, and to update the smartwatch you have to come to the watch settings, and here you will get the watch software update, and in the watch software update you will get the latest update which you can download and install in this watch. So I have already updated the smartwatch to the latest version, and with the latest version a lot of features has been added in the smartwatch, including the hard fall detection features. So you can activate the hard fall detection feature by going to the settings in the watch itself. So if you come to settings, you will get the option of safety and emergency, and here you can find the hard fall detection. You have to turn it on. You will get the option of when to detect fall, so you have to choose it according to your choice. So I have chosen it to always, because I want this watch to monitor the hard fall for all the time. So if you want to limit it during your physical activity, you can choose the during physical activity, and also you can choose only during workouts. So if you choose these two options, the sensors in this watch will not be activated all the time to monitor the hard fall detection, which can increase the battery life in this watch. Once you have turned it on, what it will do is whenever it will detect any hard fall, or if there is an irregular jerking in this watch, it will activate the SOS mode. So once you have activated the hard fall detection, you have to also configure the SOS feature, and to configure the SOS feature you have to come to the Galaxy Wear app again, and in here you have to come to the watch settings, and you will get the option of safety and emergency, and here you can see I have already activated the hard fall detection, and here you can configure the number to which the message will be sent. So here I have already given my emergency number. Also you can add a number which will be called when you will be in an emergency situation. So to add the number you have to click on this option. So in times of a hard fall detection is detected or an emergency situation, the watch will activate the SOS mode by itself and will send a message to the emergency contact, and also will try to call the emergency contact, and in a message the location of you along with an emergency text will be sent, so that the emergency contact can locate you and also can help you in times of trouble. So this is a really important feature which you can now configure in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It is very nice that Samsung has added this feature to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with an update, because this feature is not there at the beginning. So now we will try to check whether the hard fall detection feature is working or not. It will not activate by some jerking or shaking of the watch, and it is an emergency feature, so the watch sensors are programmed to not call the emergency numbers by simple jerking or shaking of the watch. So it is very hard to activate the hard fall detection mode in any of the smartwatches, including the Apple Watch. Same is the case with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So we will try to drop the watch from a considerable height and see whether the hard fall detection is activated or not for now. So here I am dropping the watch from a little bit of height to check whether it is activated or not. So 3, 2, 1. So here you can see I have dropped the watch from a little bit of height, but the hard fall detection mode has not been activated. So definitely it has been programmed to be activated when it will sense a real detection, and the real detection will include a severe jerking or shaking motion of the watch, and it can detect from the gyroscope and other sensors which is present in the smartwatch. So obviously this feature will work at the correct time, and the SOS feature will also be activated by just simply tapping this button 3 times. So here you can activate the SOS feature by just configuring it of the smartwatch. So obviously this is a nice addition to the already present features, and hope other features will also be added with further updates in this watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to tell you about the Hurtful Detection feature which has been recently added in this watch. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.